Bum, bum, bum. All right. Hello, students. My name is Wayne. If you want to learn, welcome. Please copy these notes into your book. Let's begin. Repeat after me. A for apple. A for apple. So again, fingers. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for goose. G for goose. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for nut. N for nut. O for orange. O for orange. P for pig. P for pig. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. T for tree. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for whale. W for whale. W for whale. Whale. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So, students, basics. Please start by simply writing these into your notebook. All I ask is that you keep a record, and yeah, I look forward to helping you. The next video will continue now. All right? Bye. See you soon.